Welcome back to Crazy Cook Part 3 Lobster Tail. This is going to be me showing you how to properly season your lobster tail. I've got a couple of key ingredients here that I'll go ahead and show you. One is going to be your Cajun seasoning. It's kind of a reddish brownish flavor. It's really going to give that zing. Love it on just about every fish. Of course, you got your black pepper, plus it's good for you. And then we got our garlic, of course, because everyone loves their shrimp and lobster and a ton of butter and garlic. And last but not least, our Parquet spray butter. You can use spray butter, regular butter, whatever you please, whatever you got. And also another ingredient that you can also use, and I would highly recommend it, it's very good, but lemon, either beforehand or afterward, or both, whatever you prefer. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take first the spray butter, excuse me, this Parquet spray butter to kind of add the sheen and give the seasoning something to stick to, and definitely be generous. I don't know what's up with my vocabulary today. But you can spray the shell too, it's just going to add more flavor to it. But get her down like that. Then you're going to take your garlic powder. I would definitely do on with the mini holes. It's much more controllable as you're spreading. But I'm just going to go over it like that. Just like that, you can't lose. Telling you, you cannot lose. Thirdly, I'm going to grab the black ground pepper. Do the same thing. A technique for y'all. The higher you are, the better you're going to get your seasoning to spread where you want it accurately. So that's about good there. And last, but certainly not least, we've got the Cajun seasoning. Sometimes this likes to come out kind of quick, so I'm going to be kind of careful. Yeah, this is turning out good. And a lot of that's going to soak in. That should be pretty decent right there. So I'll give you all a close-up of what it's going to look like. See that perfection? And we're damn near ready to cook these bad boys. These bad boys. Like if you want some of this, I'll send it straight your way. Just drop the address and boom. Nah, I ain't that rich. I ain't rich at all, but hey, if I can spread some knowledge and help you all out from where I'm standing, with where you're standing, it's a win in my book. So thanks for tuning in. Make sure you drop down in that comment section, leave some love, smash that like button, subscribe to your boy, share to your friends, let them know. Thanks for tuning in to Crazy Cook Part 3 Lobster Tail, how to season. Thank you.